ador bah shnong Laban haka janmet singi baar kala pelong da ka jingelang pen ko buram kerbang na ka bintau MLA ka than Bah Sanbor Shullai hadin bola shaji ben shimti ko Myntri bathamai haka sarkar senrap jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ban petya ka tanan Age and Veterinary Arts and Culture nelor kiwe haka ni ka jingelang na kaliang urang bah shnong ka Laban uloong ba kom ka shnong bat ka than baro kowe kiladap da ka Kmen ka bakraw haba unomi khamat ka than ula shaji ben shimti ka shuki Myntri sarkar ka jilla aringkat ka jing sakhi lang kiwe pat ki nongialam shnong na ka than na kaliang Bah Sanbor uloong ba usngo Kmen ka mensi man yo I ba ki nongialam shnong ru yo I ya ka jing ya khun bat ka jing persang jong u ban wan ra ya ka roi ka pa bat ka jing kala ha ka constituency ka ba ki nong shnong ki dei Neki judge ben rio ba pair.
Lord of Shnong Laban, with our greatest appreciation, we are proud to honor Bah Sanbor Shullai MLA, 19 South Geelong constituency, for being inducted into the Cabinet MBA 2 Government of India as Minister in charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Art and Culture, Printing and Stationery, and Legal Metrology departments.
Thanks to my party first. The BJP, where the electorates, all of you have elected me first. You remember 2008, when I was nominated as the NCP candidate. Again, you have repeated 2013, again, you have reposed faith and confidence on me and my party, the then NCP at the time, and again, you have elected me for the second consecutive time. And later on, with the suggestion of my party workers, my ground force, and with the consultation with all the pockets within my constituency, 2013, after the delimitation, they have clapped. From the 10th to the 2nd Laban, and they have clapped. The election department, they have clapped. The 21 November, the 22nd Laban on the 19th South Geelong constituency, which I am the representative, only MLA who represent the army area, the civil areas of the defense. That is the entire continent area. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to Kmen former MLA, advisor of the Dr. Ronald, and I will not lengthen my speech, but to bring it to the information of the Laban and all the residents of Laban that very soon we have got a sanction of 8 crores for full black topping, that is called the bituminous concrete black topping within my constituency. The main entrance from civil hospital, it will start from the main entrance from civil hospital, then there main road of Laban, St. John, Marlaban, Ruparing, Relbong area, last bus stop, then there Ruparing area, the Bishnupur area, New KJCS area. So after the puja, maybe we can start the work. And other proposal also we have proposed for renovation, reconstruction of motorable road, including aqueduct, drainage system, which will start from near the resident of Benita Maulong, but David Lifelong, downwards via elsewhere school, up to the resident of Siddiqui, Dr. Siddiqui, and it will connect also till the Laban Masjid main entrance. Bangka
ram Yai Myntri ban kersan Yai mino nang yai trai Kulay bli kala Yari sakliar bandra kanam Kabor ke shong handa Yari sakliar